guys, welcome back to this course. Now before starting the front end of this course, I want to tell you that I'm going to use the HTML templates in the React. I have already pushed the shop.it HTML repository. You can see that here if you open it. I have already pushed all the HTML templates on my GitHub profile. You can go to github.com/shop.it-html and you will see all the HTML templates here that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is design.js that contains all the CSS, and these are the 3 images if you want to use that or not. Okay, so just I want to tell you that in the next videos I'm going to use the HTML markup in every video. So I will tell you from which file I am copying the markup. You can find that file from here and use that also if you are building the same project with the same HTML and CSS. Alright, so just want to tell you about it. This is the shop.it HTML repository on my GitHub profile. You can download it from here. You can use it in any way you want. All the templates are present here. Alright, I hope that you understand. So